welcome back. I have a Ruger Precision Rimfire. So this is a rifle chambered in .22 long rifle, and so yeah. So it's kind of hard to open. This is a little bit hard. Just set it right now. And here is the gun. So this is a So this is a Ruger precision rimfire. So the bolt is right here, and so what you want to do is put that, it's actually kind of tough, there, and then close that, and then you could fire, and it's on fire right now. There's safety, and so it has a tactical rail up here, a adjustable stock, do that, and then kind of pull up on it, that, close that, down, and yeah. It's a little bit big for me, but yeah. Can adjust the stock length and everything. And so it comes with a 15 round magazine loaded in. The magazine release is right here. Put your thumb right there and voila. So you could also use tactical rails or picketing rails on the sides. And yeah, I think it's a really good gun because it comes in many different sizes. This is, I would say, maybe 20-ish? 18-inch barrel. So yeah, it's kind of long for me, and you could change out the silencer, or have a silencer, and yeah, I just think it's pretty cool, and could just, it's top loader. It loads in on this way, so it's pretty easy.
What kind of scope you think we ought to put on it?
I don't know.
I'm thinking we're going to put a vortex on it, see what it can do. And we'll probably get that done sometime here in the next few weeks.
Yeah.
Be ready for,
School.
take it out hunting, take it out shooting, do some target shooting, get ready for squirrel hunting season next fall.
Ooh. Probably add a bipod right here too. Okay.
Can you wrap it up?
So, thanks for watching, and yeah, it's just, yeah, this is kind of cool. Bye, guys.